coming home. I want the world to know. Let it show. We came out here for Living History Days, and I was about 11. I think I was in 5th or 6th grade. We did Living History Days out here. We stayed in the cabins that are now shut that Mr. Osie's going to try to open up for us. That's one of his projects that are on for next year, or this year, hopefully. I have actually gotten my first nose-to-nose with an animal out here, and it piqued my interest. When I was growing up, we never had money for me to get into farming or horses or animals in any type, and when I raised my kids I didn't have it either, so they're all grown and gone, and this is my passion. This is what I do, and it is just amazing to be able to teach other kids in the community. We actually see them from all over Roseville, El Dorado Hills, all about what ranch life is really like, so that they get a concept that it's not just a grocery store. I've even have 5th and 6th graders who really have never seen a farm animal.